2004 Volkswagen Beetle, one owner, GLS 1.8 turbo, 54,000 original miles, in like new condition. Tires are in amazing condition. It has leather, heated seats, moonroof. Perfect vehicle for student. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Flawless. Not a door ding, scratch, or rock chip on this vehicle. One owner, Carfax certified. Everything works. There's the moonroof. Leather seats are in like new condition. Door panels are like new. Glove box works. No sagging of the headliner that you find in most of these vehicles. Back seats are like new. We have the original floor mats, both sets of keys, owner's manual. We have 3 sets of keys, actually 3 keys. Owner's manual. 54,872 miles. Heated seats. Everything works on the vehicle. Still have the cargo cover. Flawless condition. Fog lights. 2004 Volkswagen Beetle GLS Turbo, 1.8 liter, 54,000 miles, one owner, in absolutely an amazing condition.